Hello and welcome. It's Shannon Cecilia here. And today we are stepping into a creative cauldron. We're going to pull cards for the energy of today and see what comes up for us. As I picked up the cards and started the shuffle, immediately in number 10, the singer of healing dropped in to be heard through the triangle. I'm here to share this message. To share this message of energy bubbling up to the surface, desiring to be cleared, supported, abundantly ancestral lineage, energy of the land and the water, and distant connections far in the past. Number 8, courage. As a healer, there's much energy of courage to step forward and bring in that which is unfamiliar, that which is high vibe and fun, and transformational on a very deep, profound level. Takes courage to lead the way. It is an initiation as that energy is removed, wiped away, alchemized deep, deep down, alchemized, alchemical movements, clearing from dimensions past. Okay, so I have at the 10, which is the healing. 8 is the singer of courage. 9 is the singer of initiation. And 28 is Penelope Dreamweaver. So we have this beautiful path unfolding before us. We have this beautiful path unfolding before us. We have the singer of healing. So we're here to receive the healing. Inhale, deep, cleansing breath. Exhale. Let it bubble up for the healing. So we have courage to stand in the energy as it is bubbling up. Unfurling energy. Initiation. We are initiating our energy once it's been cleared and it's removed. We have an initiation energy, new thought process, new ideas, new energy to amplify your next steps for the initiation. And then for the dream time, information is coming into the dream time. Have a journal with you and draw, doodle, notice wildlife connections, which animals you notice. In our area, we have had bear and coyote, owl, the bunny has been seen, hummingbirds, like all within a week's time, our raven. Pay attention to the animals that are bringing insight and messages. Notice what symbols come up for you in the dream time and during your meditations. Take your journal outside and sit and ask, inquire, what is yours to know today? What is yours to share today? So I have 10, 8, 9, and 28. We are being called to step into the energy of healing and allow the healing to take place for transfiguration, for transformation. Right. It can at times be a little tricky to navigate the emotions. So um, releasing external expectations and fear, releasing the blocks that were there prior to and leading up to the ceremony, the ritual of the releasing, into the courage, into the trusting, so that the alchemical collaboration of the elements, the archetypes, are dancing with the wheel and dancing with the ebb and the flow rather than getting stuck in that. So this is a really beautiful reading, and I'd love to hear how this resonates for you. And if it doesn't, that's okay too. And keep checking back as my readings are different, and we do our live card pulls for the energy of when it's meant for you, if it's meant for you. And I have received right, right. So that's right. So the path, the journey, the illumination, the amplification, the transformation that happens on the journey is part of the journey, and it's part of what you signed up for. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.